Welcome to What's New in Networking, a series to keep you up to date with, well, what's new in networking. This is Stephanie Wong, and today we'll be covering our core infrastructure updates. We'll cover some new shared VPC capabilities, as well as new MTU settings for interconnect. So stay tuned. Shared VPC provides the ability for organizations to connect resources from multiple service projects to a common VPC. This is amazing as it provides centralized control over networking resources like subnets, routes, and firewall rules. And it was great for VMs with a single NIC, but it wasn't ideal for VMs which require NIC 0 to be a non-shared VPC network. This means something like this was not supported. NIC 0 would be tied to the local VPC, while NIC 1 would be assigned to the shared VPC. To support this, customers would have to deploy proxies to front-end the instances, which led to more management and resource overhead. With this recent launch, we now support shared VPC on a non-default NIC. Now you can attach a shared VPC to any NIC of an instance. And this eliminates the requirement of proxies and gives more flexibility for VM configurations. And now onto MTU. MTU stands for Maximum Transmission Unit, the size of the largest protocol data unit that can be communicated in a single network layer transaction. A larger MTU can bring greater efficiency because each network packet carries more data, while protocol overheads, like headers, remain fixed. 1500 bytes MTU is an industry standard IP packet size. The default MTU for a Google Cloud VPC is 1460 bytes. As of the end of 2020, you're now able to increase the MTU to 1500 bytes. While this gave VMs the ability to exchange 1500 byte IP packets with other VMs, services, or the public internet, there was still a discrepancy with Cloud Interconnect, which provides direct physical connections between your on-premise network and Google's network. Prior to this launch, Google Cloud Interconnect MTU was set to 1440 bytes. With this new launch, we now support end-to-end 1500 byte MTU support. Organizations can lift and shift or support hybrid workloads with strict MTU requirements. And that's what's new in networking for core infrastructure. Let us know in the comments if you think these will accelerate and improve your cloud journey. Be sure to take a look at the links below for details and guides on how to use them. And stay tuned for the latest launches in our next category on What's New in Networking.